Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon everyone. How's your weekend going? Now traders, quickly I'll just switch to 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So you can see this trend line, right? This trend line. Where is it? Yeah. This trend line is acting as resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, and now market is kind of facing resistance here and it is moving towards the downside. Now yes, of course I can see that market is trying to form the based on the strategy what we have discussed, right? Nice momentum it gave towards the downside. I think morning 7 o'clock my team also highlighted to you that bearish setup is forming. So two nice setups based on a strategy we have got already. Now that market has corrected nicely, right? Now expectation is market can move towards the upside. If it breaks this level, retest and then continues, it can trap people at these zones, right? So with that logic, I'm just waiting and seeing in case there is any opportunity on the call option side or bullish side. So this is what I'm thinking. Slowly, pressure is building up on the buy side. From here, if market starts moving towards the upside, I'm just going to do a small attempt right now. Okay, I can see this candle. It is showing some pressure. So from here, even if it goes up to this resistance, also nice momentum towards the upside, I'll be able to capture. So I have planned my entry already. Now for some people, if you want, what you can do is you can wait for some time. Maybe the market might correct up to these zones, right? Up to these zones it can correct here or here. Any reversal setup can be possible. So if you want that time, you can plan. I have taken a bit of early entry considering that 382 level can act as a nice support. Still market is holding, it is not given any confirmation, but little early I have entered. If you want, you can wait for some more time. Now I hope you have understood the logic behind why I have taken this trade. Okay, we will see as of now. Anyways, fixing stop loss for the trade becomes a bit important. So I'll go down, decide the stop loss. I will manage the stop loss anyways. Okay, that I will do, nothing to worry. So there are two zones where market can correct from, right? If there is buying pressure, first is from this 382 level zone, market is holding on, and if it comes out of the zone, then it will be a good momentum towards the upside. We will be able to capture, or else market can move little lower, maybe correct up to this 50%. It can correct up to 50%, and from here it can reverse. So stop loss little, I've got it lower. As per our strategy, from upper side we have got a correction, but our strategy already 2 to 3 times it has given the profit that we need. So if these buyers are strong, low high, higher low, higher high, maybe a higher low can be formed and then a higher high. Okay, with that logic, I have taken the trade. So 2 points of entry, my 2 entries maybe I would get. First one, I have taken early entry so that I don't miss the moment. Next, patiently we can wait for 2 zones from where market can reverse. We will look into it. Okay, yeah, weekend, everybody is kind of in the holiday mood itself. Around 19 people are watching the live stream. That's okay. Whoever is interested, you can participate. Yes, little correction we are able to see here. Okay, market has formed low, high, low, a lower high. Same way here we are seeing bullish pressure. This can be a zone where market can reverse, or it can go up to this zone also and reverse. That exactly we cannot be sure. That is why at least one attempt here I tried. If it comes here little below this only, I place the stop loss. 2 attempts. Finally, if market corrects up to this level, one more opportunity I will be looking for on the reversal side. Now, some of you might ask, the entire movement of the market is bearish, right? Why are you looking for bullish trade? The rules about stop loss hunting only is looking at opposite direction setup, where many people are planning for entry, a reversal opportunity. If we can if we can capture that, then nice momentum we will get. The profit what we make going as per the trend, small profits definitely we can make, but reversal setup when we plan, the amount of returns that we can make can be significantly more. Now bearish trade it is doing for that. Okay, small stop losses we will give, we will try to plan according to that. Okay. So what's happening weekend? What are you guys doing? Evening little occupied I will be, so that is why maybe 8 o'clock I might not be able to come live. So that is why I plan to come live at least now, so that even if I miss out 8 p.m. it is fine. I'm audible to you guys, right? Now traders, you can see continuously market is correcting from here. Ideally from this zone it has to reverse. I have taken a bit early entry, that is why I'm seeing this loss. Even if market corrects, there are two zones. Okay, this zone, maybe after hitting my stop loss market can reverse, or max to max it can go up to this zone, right? So here I'm not ready to give bigger stop loss, so I've given a reasonable stop loss. If market is not correcting from here, taking my stop loss, one more entry when market comes to this zone, I'll be planning one more buy trade. Okay, now this one buy trade I have given the stop loss, no problem. Next setup I'll be looking for towards the upside, maybe at this zone. At this zone, if market shows any bullishness, I'll be looking for a bullish trade. The second trade which I take also, the stop loss I'm going to keep small, right? 2 attempts I'm going to do on the bullish side. So hopefully just 9 to 10 minutes done since I have come live. So we will see any bullish setup I get, I will plan. Now, as per our strategy, if anyone has entered towards the upside, it is better that you keep trailing your stop loss, maybe up to this zone or this zone, so that the profit what you have made, it is safe, right? At least you will close in green in case the market reverses. Just trail your stop loss if you have taken any bearish trade. I mean, based on the strategy I'm saying. Now, early morning itself in the group, I had given this update, right? So, where is it? Yeah, our strategy is forming. We said somewhere around 8 o'clock, right? If you see, somewhere around this time itself, our setup was forming. Market had formed a setup, short correction. Here again, it was coming for a retest from here. Nice momentum towards the downside. Those who already know the strategy, this was one area where market gave the setup. One more setup, now it has formed here without breaking this upper level only it is formed. That's okay. Now you can see how much market has corrected. Selling pressure here, continuous selling pressure. One small stop loss I've given already. I'm going opposite to the trend with the main view of stop loss hunting. Okay, so two opportunities from here. If it's correcting 170 180 points, okay, let's see traders, if I get the opportunity I'll plan my entry. How to join the crypto group? Nothing, sir. You have to open account with Delta Exchange using our link. The link is there in the comment section. You can see the first comment. Open account there, and then you send message to my team on this number. After completing your first trade, my team will give you access. Okay. So see, my hope is this pressure what has happened, market is slowly moving towards the upside, right? At this breakout, people would have entered, and those people who's continuously looking for bullish trade, market has corrected to remove them, right? Once those people has been removed, weak buyers, again market can move towards the upside. When I entered here at that point of time, even I am weak buyer, but now here if I enter an opportunity when continuously market is falling, here if I'm looking for one more buying trade, then during that reversal, if there is a quick momentum towards the upside, I'll be able to capture, right? If it comes here, breaks the zone, from here after breaking, giving a breakdown here, if it reverses, I'll be more happy to look for a call option trade. Here it is just 50-60% chance, but from here after breakdown, if it corrects, I feel there is 75 to 80% probability of market reversal. That is why. Whoever is taking bearish trade, market is continuously moving, but it is important that you keep trailing your stop loss. Okay. That is the only option right now. Open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, and you will be getting access to the community. See now, I entered somewhat here, right? My stop loss was very small. I did not keep my stop loss here because I was saying from here market can reverse, or from here. I did not keep my stop loss so much, right? So that would be a bigger stop loss where really if I want to re-enter, then it would be difficult for me. Now that market has come to this zone, small stop loss I gave, I exited. One more opportunity when I take reasonable stop loss for the trade, I'll be able to give, right? So with that logic only, small stop loss I will give and exit, because when I capture, maybe bigger opportunity I'll be able to capture, right? So with that logic, I'm going to take the second trade. As of now, I am kind of believing these buyers, even though there is continuous selling. One more entry I have taken. From here, if market just corrects, little stop loss here somewhere at this zone, based on that I can hold on to the trade. How much the market is going to move towards the upside, all those things, idea is less, but around 350 to 400 points also if it moves. For that, maybe let's say around 200 points, 250 points risk I'm taking for the trade. Then maybe if the setup works out as per my requirement, then nice movement I'll be able to capture. Okay. So stop loss I've kept here. No problem, I can keep it up to the zone also. This is the double bottom zone. From here only market ideally it has to move. If it moves, we will be able to capture that. I'll just trail my stop loss so after the market starts moving towards the upside. This is just for safety. I have kept this stop loss. Stop loss is not more, around 300 points, lesser than that. Now, those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the price action stop loss hunting concept, what I'm teaching you, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. After subscribing to the channel, liking the video, please share your name in the comment section. I will announce your name. Okay. Regarding the private, how many trading days it is valid if I subscribe for a month, and what I can expect from the channel. What you can expect from the channel means, see, this is a crypto community group. Here on a regular basis, based on price action, stop loss hunting, and based on the strategy what I've taught here, whenever setups are forming, we'll keep sharing it with you, right? Now 2 setups had formed in the morning at this zone. So without my assistance only, when setup is formed and you know all the rules what I've explained here, based on that, even though that strategy success rate is 50 to 60%, when you make profit it will be very good, right? The amount of profit what you can make based on that strategy without thinking too much, if you enter 1000, 1500, 2000 points, you will be able to capture. So that is a good strategy that you will be getting. Along with that, you can see regularly my team keeps giving you update, or today when strategy is forming also, we keep you informed, right? Strategy is forming, just have a look. Now when I come live, of course because I have a fixed time, right? Usually 8 p.m. I come live. That time, of course, the strategy might have not been formed. That time what I can do, I cannot sit idle for that during 1 hour, 1.5 hours when I'm live. So that time basically we got in 1 lakh. That 1 lakh now it's become 2 lakhs. That amount we'll use just to fine tune our price action stop loss hunting strategy, what we use in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We're going to use it here. Little fine tuning we keep doing, so that eventually we'll increase the success rate of this strategy also, right? So with that view, I'm approaching these trades, all those things what I teach you here also in the live is based on price action stop loss hunting. How you make use of it is up to you. In future, whatever courses I share in this uh, related to crypto also for free, I'm going to share it in this group. So if you're interested, you can join, right? So the buyers who are sitting in the market here, nicely they push the market towards the upside. Here, if market comes double bottom, many retail traders also will participate. So these buyers can push the market from this zone again. That is why I'm looking for an opportunity. Maybe up to this level also, if it moves, that's a nice moment which we'll be able to capture, right? So as of now, market is moving as per the direction. From the time we entered, let's say it goes up to this first target zone, that's close to 400 points. So at least that moment, if we are able to capture, whoever's following this live stream, that's a decent profit. Anyways, during the weekend, market will not be that volatile. It can be a bit sideways only. In that, capturing 400 points moment is a good thing, is what I feel. Yeah, like I said, who wants to join the crypto community group, you can open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. Reach out to my team on that phone number. They'll give you the access to the group. Okay. I can see many of our regular crypto live members, they have not participated now, because usually they expect us to be live somewhere around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. What is the maximum amount of trade in crypto? I took trade same exact setup, but a short trade at top. Okay. So what is the minimum amount to trade in crypto? See, minimum, if you bring in, let's say, minimum at least 10 lots you have to trade with. For that, capital requirement is around, let's say, 2000 rupees. But at least bring in, just to complete one trade, rather than that, if you just bring in at least 15,000 rupees, that's a decent amount, so that every time you can execute 10 units, and each time you can keep a loss of, let's say, for 10 units you can keep a loss of, let's say, $3 or $4. That's more than sufficient. There is a basic video related to crypto I have already published on YouTube. Okay, so if you are interested, you can go and check it out. I'm sure it's going to be useful for you. Hi, good afternoon. Excited to see you this unusual time. Evening I'll not be available, Vargish, Joshua. That's why I've come live now. So long trade, yes, we can see market is continuously in a downtrend, right? Here, the buyers are sitting in the market. They have pushed the market nicely towards the upside. That means they have some pressure, or they have some buying potential in the market. So if market comes to this zone, right, again if retail traders enter here, retail traders also will enter, because looking at double bottom they will enter. That time probability of downside movement is high. But before reaching this level, if these buyers re-enter the market, right, let's say they got a breakdown or whatever, from here again if they re-enter, they can trap people looking at this bearish candle, whoever entered, to trap them. Market can reverse. I'm not trading based on the trend, I'm going opposite to the trend based on stop loss hunting. What is the trend right now? It is bearish, right? Continuously what the market is doing on a 5 minutes time frame, if you see, this area is acting as resistance, resistance, resistance. So continuous resistance market is holding. So every pullback, every trend line, people expectation will be to take a bearish trade. In price action, there is a pattern where regularly market can move towards the downside, and when this area becomes narrow, it gives a breakout. Breakout will fail. From here, when it continues, maybe 50% of this move, right? What is 50% of this move? Maybe up to this zone, 97,550. Market has potential to move up to that area. That movement I'm saying based on stop loss hunting, that is close to 1400 points. Sorry. So that is how I'm looking at the market right now. Based on that only I have taken the trade. Yogesh, Sundar sir, hopefully you have understood the logic why I have told, I'm taken this trade. Now, will the market hit my stop loss? It doesn't hit. That I don't know, right? But expectation is for the small stop loss which I'm giving, if the movement happens up to this zone, it's a very good risk reward for the trade, right? So mostly each and every trade that we take should be based on what? It should be based on risk reward. Stop loss is here, entry is here, target is here. It is 1:4. So around 300 points if I'm taking risk, right? For 100 units, 300 points means how much? Close to $30 I'll be taking a risk. So $30 is not an issue for us. Now just because I've come, like I've reduced the quantity also 50, this one. So it will be around 15 to $20 is the risk. For $20, if market is moving by 1,000 points, then close to $50 I'll be making as a profit. So I feel this is a reasonable trade. I shorted market at 96k level, and I'll exit where around 96k here. Okay. As of now, market is kind of holding this level, right? Usually it should not hold too much. It should ideally break from the zone, because these buyers, when they start putting pressure, quick movement has to be available in the market. Since it is holding, I feel okay, it is attracting little more sellers at this zone. Slowly, if it gives a breakdown, safe stop loss I have kept. So if it gives a breakdown from here, if it reverses, hopefully we get the movement. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Okay. I think I've read all the comments. Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the price action stop loss hunting concept, what I'm explaining here, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Now you can see in cryptos market, regularly I'm coming around 8 p.m. live, so that every day we are having discussions, every day we are looking for setups. Apart from that, we are showing little more interest in crypto market also. That is why my team and I regularly we keep sharing setup for free in the crypto community group also. So you can have a look at that if you're interested. Okay. Now one more important thing is, my team, I think they have sent this post today, flat 1,500 rupees of off on all the courses. let it be our price action, stop loss hunting, all the bundle course whichever you're taking, up to 1500 rupees off you can get on all the courses. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Hopefully traders, this is kind of our make or break zone. Okay, hopefully from here, if I'm getting the moment, maybe I'll trail my stop loss and keep very less stop loss for the trade, so that if the movement continues, okay. If the stop loss, anyway, stop loss is small. Once if it shows any continuation, right? If it comes here, breakout, retest, shows continuation, then easily the stop loss is not required to keep it here. Maybe I'll keep it at cost to cost, or little higher I will keep after it gives a breakout, I'm saying. Until then, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now, those of you who's watching this live stream, what is your language that you speak at home? Is it Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi? What language do you speak? Sorry, I've got some cold also. Not able to speak. Manipur, okay. Telugu, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil, okay. Telugu and Tamil, okay. See, that's a beauty about the same English thing. It's kind of common between all the South Indians and North Indian. I know more people are more focused on the Hindi group, right? Hindi community. But I'm just keeping it in English so that, people like you from Marathi, I can't speak, but at least Hindi, you guys can understand. We can have a conversation. Telugu, I'm not that comfortable speaking in Telugu, but I can understand. So, in terms of that, to a certain extent, for us, all regional language people can participate in the group. Anyways, one more Tamil group also, still I'm planning. That planning is going on. Maybe after New Year, if I will start, I will continue to provide the service here. But Tamil also, I can see some people are regularly asking my team Tamil if they can, we can make videos. That also I will try. Your English is simply good. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, how many of you in this group did you look at this opportunity? Morning when my team said, we have two nice setups continuously we have got, right, based on our strategy. I don't know how many of you have tried. I can see some people sending me message that I booked around 800, 900 points profit, all those things. Happy for them. What's my mother tongue? My mother speaks Kannada. My father is Tamilian. He was Tamilian. So, yeah, I speak both the languages. Around 34 people watching the live stream, only 16 likes. Come on, traders. If you're making use of the content, it hardly takes 10 seconds for you to like the live stream. Meanwhile, the setup we have already seen, okay. This area ideally can be the target 1 zone, okay. And next is my 1:4 risk reward. I think here only around 1:2 we will get, okay. So that possibility is there. So here it can either correct from here, or from here if it continues, good momentum we will be able to capture. Anyways, near the bottom itself, if these buyers are trying to put pressure in the market, expectation is it will continue the upside move. Whatever we can, let's say, how much ever quantity you are taking, 80% you can book the profits here, remaining 20% you can just trail your stop loss, something like that you can do. Okay. Which chart is this? This is PTC chart. You can see here on a 5 minutes time frame. I'll quickly switch to 3 minutes because that's my preferred time frame. In Nifty Bank Nifty, I prefer 1 minute time frame, but here 1 minute also I'm getting used to it. That's not a problem. 3 minutes is kind of okay for people who's watching the video also. Why taker brokerage is more than maker brokerage? Of course, right? If someone, let's say at the zone, when market is here, okay, it's moving towards the upside. Let's say 1% decided at the zone I will sell. Okay, when market is here, if he is already putting a trigger for his entry at this zone, that means what? He is market maker because he's creating liquidity. Only if someone is selling, you can buy, right? So he is making the market. Since only when more people participate and they make the market at certain levels, only then taker can take advantage of that position, right? So let's say you go to the market, right? Only if there is a seller, you can go buy, right? If there is no seller, can you buy? No, right? So more importance is there for sellers. Sellers, when they sell, only buyers can buy. Only when sellers sell, buyers can buy. That is when what will happen? Order will get matched. Okay. So here at the current market zone, market taker, many people will be there at the current market zone. Here orders can get matched easily, but only through market maker at the upper levels, at these levels or at this level, someone decides to sell, they are creating the market at this zone. And market, they are helping the market momentum, they are helping the market volatility. So those people will be given more importance. Okay. Is there any scam that are going on in India like scam 1992? Many scams everywhere, every type is going on. The best thing what we can do is peacefully hold on to the money that we have, right? And do certain businesses where capital requirement is low and ensure only the money which you're okay to lose, right? Let's say you have 1 lakh rupees. In that 10,000 rupees you're okay to lose in the market. When you bring it to the market, that is when there you are going to have less stress, right? At least from the 10,000, let's say you go to a hotel, you spend there, rather you spend it in learning. Over a period of time you will get adjusted to the market. There are many people who do not take any trades, they don't do anything, but simply they keep looking at charts and say, okay, I should have entered here, I would have made profit. I would have entered here, I would have made profit. Like that mindset people, only in their dreams they'll be able to make profit. Because why they don't enter? Because every trade they take, they want to be profitable. That is not how it works. You have to put in the money to make the money, right? That's how trading works. That's how investment work. Whatever business you are doing, either you're going to put your investment in terms of money, right? Or you're going to put it in terms of time. Only in terms of time you want to spend. Eventually you have to put in money at some point of time. Usha Balaji, a sport soft spoken gentleman. Thank you. Hello sir. Should we expect another bump to 85K before this month end? Before this month end, possibilities are there, but you see, before 2021, right? 2021, that time or close start beginning of 2022, mostly BTST, all those things and all. With that hope, I was holding on to trades. I was doing a lot of option selling. Out of I have sold in the money strike prices only, right? So taking in the selling in the money strike prices is very risky. But all those things I have done. That time market was little more good, but now algo trading has come different kind of, always some news or the other. So yeah, people are, manipulating the market to a certain extent, I can see. So why I have to lose my sleep overnight? Rather, what I will do, fresh mindset I will come. I know how much I'm ready to lose per day. Based on that, I will take the trade. If the movement is going as per my view, good. If it is not going, I'll give the stop loss, because trading is not my only thing. I have three more businesses, right? So trading over a period of time, it has become my habit, it has become my daily routine, right? So at least without looking at the charts, I am not able to be, we can say it is addiction, you can say whatever you want, but I'm okay, because if it is an addiction also, I'm okay to make some losses here or there, and it gives me a nice feeling when my psychology works with market condition. Now traders, you see, market created a high, low, a lower high. Who entered with me, along with me? Maybe if you want, you can book your profit here, because in case market forms a lower low, you might be in trouble. So just giving you a heads up. If you are worried about your trade, please book, exit. Anyways, you will be profitable. How much risk is it? A nice 300, 380 points. I told approximately at least 400 points you can expect. Already 380 points. Sir, what is the time frame as video is not visible? Time frame is here, 3 minutes. It's not visible, is it? Is holding 15 positions in futures for few weeks safe in this current situation? Nothing is safe in this current situation. And especially you, people will get into this holiday mode post 20, already right now, from 20th December to January 2nd or 3rd, a lot of participants might not be there in the market. Okay, they might come with a fresh mindset post January 3rd or 4th. Yeah, this W pattern breakout is what you are talking about. But before this W pattern itself, we are hoping that these buyers are strong and they will push the market towards the upside, right? So 400 points movement is already done. Next, it can go up to this zone, another 300 points. But like I said, for some of you, I don't know what quantity you entered. This W pattern breakout also can fail. Market can move towards the downside. That probability is there. So random people who looks at the live stream, just because I took the trade, you will enter. So for you, it is my duty to let you know. I know what is the risk involved, everything I know. That is why I'm sitting in the market. On Friday, whatever trade which I took also, I don't know where it went, but the trade which I took, I told you guys, right? This breakdown market has given, but this is very low chance. If you want, you book here, because reversal probability is high, right? I said 50 to 60% chance. At the upper level, when we made 800 points move, when we captured, I was saying probability is high, but once the setup is formed, then probability can be become low. So looking at all those things only, I have entered the trade. Many people want to capture small move. I'm okay to give around 6 stop losses continuously, right? Remaining 4 trades, if I'm capturing the moment which I want, it will give me the recovery of everything, plus I will be profitable. So that is how I keep looking at the market. It is not that I have to be right in each and every trade I take. Here for me, probability of moving towards the upside is high, so I've taken. I'm holding 15 positions with 10 leverage under 500 capital. I'm holding 15 positions. You are saying 15 positions with 10x leverage. You are saying 15 lots. Are you speaking about 15 lots? Capital is greater than higher risk trade. See, already if you have entered, you would have placed your stop loss, right? If that stop loss, if market hits, are you going to be worried or not is the question. If you think, okay, this loss is nothing for me, I've taken this stop loss, I've kept as per my capacity only, then you have nothing to worry. I don't know what is your risk bearing capacity per day. So you have to tell me what's your risk bearing capacity. Let's say your risk bearing capacity is 5,000 rupees. The stop loss what you have kept, is it more than 5,000? Is it 10,000 rupees? Then your trade is kind of not right. So best thing what you can do, if market is going as per your view, already let's say you have taken 15 positions. In that what you do, 10 positions you exit, remaining 5 positions you leave it to stop loss just like that. That time you have altered your position to your mindset where even if you lose you're not worried. To get 10k as a profit, what should be the capital lot size? See, that is not how it works. It is based on how much capital you're bringing in, okay, and how much points market is moving. Okay, let's say for example, let's say in BTC how it works is, if 100 points BTC moves towards the upside, you have taken a bullish trade. Let's say I entered here. If BTC moves up by 100 points, okay, uh, if I have taken let's say 100 units, end to end I'll make 10% of it. What is 10% of 100? It is 10, right? I'll make $10 profit. $10 profit means what? It is around 800, 850 rupees. So you are saying you want to make 10,000 profit. So that means either you have to catch more moment. For example, here market moved up by 300 points from the time we entered. So 300 points means $30 you would have made, right? So that is what 2,400 rupees profit you would have made. Now you want to capture 10k profit you want to do. Either you can capture that, make that 10k profit by holding on to a trade and let the market reach as much as movement possible. If market moves up by 1,000 points as per this setup, 1,000 points if market goes, then how much dollars, if you have taken 100 units, if market moves up by 1,000 points, then you will make $100. That is around 8,500 rupees. If you don't want so much movement, you are not expecting market will move so much, it will just move 500 points, but still you want to make 10,000 profit, then what you have to do, you should not be taking 100 units. Let's say you're taking one complete BTC. One for taking one BTC, approximately how much capital you need? You need approximately, let's say here, 1,000 lots is equal to 1 BTC. For this you need around $2,000, right? Available margin with me is $2,400. So if I had taken complete 1 BTC, okay, I have taken 1 BTC, okay, into 1 BTC is how much? 1,000 units or 1,000 lots. If market moves up by 100 points also, since I've taken 1 BTC, I will make $100. Okay. Now here market moved up by 300 points. So if I've taken one BTC, I would have made around $300. $300 is what, 24,000 rupees. So from this, what you need to understand, if you bring in more capital, if you're trading with more capital, with 100 points movement only, more money you can make. But risk also is involved, right? So since risk also is involved, you need to see how much risk you're ready to take. If you want to make 10k profit, are you ready to take at least 1:2, means 5k loss you're ready to take? I mean, in that particular trade, in this trade, if I take 5k loss, if I make 10k profit, like that I have to plan my trade. Either you have to make that 10k profit by holding on to a trade for longer duration, or you have to enter with more quantity. In that by small moment also you will be able to make that 10,000 profit. Okay, one lot is very less. One lot is 0.001 BTC. That's very less. Now traders, you see, again selling pressure is starting from 50% correction is happening. Market is kind of sideways. Like I said, from the time we entered, market has given around 360 points. Now also, if you think about, exiting your trade, maybe 280 points you would have made profit. So that is something you can consider and exit, because what is happening, there is battle between buyers and sellers. The sellers, again, they're trying to push the market down. These buyers, they were pushing the market up. When we identified these buyers will push the market towards the upside, I entered because this was a fair price for my entry, reasonable stop loss I can place. Now these sellers are trying to push the market. Now again these buyers has to push the market again towards the upside for me to make decent profit in the market. If these sellers are strong, again if they put pressure, then it will go down, right? Create double bottom. It can even form a lower low. It can hit my stop loss. Then again I have to sit and decide what is the probability of the setup. When I entered here, probability is high. Now there is selling pressure. Here probability reduced to 50 to 60%. Here if it holds on and gives a breakout, then my expectation is it will continue the trend. At least it will target people at this zone, right? So for that, whatever risk I need, I'm taking right now. Randomly, certain people will just enter off the trade. That is why it's my duty to keep you highlighted about what is the next possibility. See, brokerage, everywhere you keep paying, right? So I made a video already explaining all the basics. So if you're taking 100 units, for that around $7 is the brokerage approximately you will give. Okay. Now let's say if you're just trying to capture 1:1, if you captured $30 brokerage, this is fixed, right? So around $7, remaining $23 is your profit. If you just enter here small movement, if you book your profit, if you just make $10, $7 if you give off as the brokerage, you're not trading with proper risk reward only for your trade. Then what can be done? So either if you're trading with more quantity, you can try to do scalping. If you're doing with less quantity, at least 1:2 risk reward is what you have to plan. Now here you have entered based on this trade only. If I take the trade, okay, what is this? Okay, this is my entry point. From here market went up to this zone. Okay, my stop loss is here. So here I made 1:2 risk reward. This 1:2 risk reward, let's say you have taken 100 quantity, market gave you a movement of close to 650 points. For simplicity, let's say you captured 600 points. Okay, for 600 points, if you have taken 100 units, how much you will make? You will make how much? Anyone tell me? if you have taken 100 units, if market moves up by 600 points in the futures market, what will be your profit? I'll give you the answer in 5 seconds, but we will see who has understood. Question is, you have taken 100 lots. Okay. Market moved up as per your view 600 points. Okay. How much profit you will make? Correct. $60. What is your actual name? Pavi? Okay. Balaji sir, Manoj Kumar sir, superb. So $60 you will make. In that $60, $7 if you give brokerage also, you have $53 with you, right? $53 is how much? It's a good profit only for you, right? Is it a bad profit? How much is 50 into 85? Around 4,500 rupees. Okay. So everyone has told correctly. Praveen sir, you were the first one saying. So congratulations. Balaji sir also have told. Manoj Kumar also. Tech Talkies. Ilan sir. Okay, everyone has told. Now you can see 600 points movement I said, right? From the time I entered, how much market has moved? It has moved around 480 points. Okay. So 480 points, if I had taken 100 quantity, for 480 points, I should have made around $48. Okay. Approximate. But since we have entered with 50 quantity, what has happened? Almost half of it. Around $24. Why it is showing little less is because market is little lower here. Exact point to point if I take from the time I entered, market is right now here 400, right? 420. So I should have made $42. Here you can see $22, $23 approximately I'm making, because it is 50 units. If I had taken 100 unit, already I would have made 10,000. Oh, sorry. I would have made around $40. Now you see traders, while coming live, I said anyone placing stop loss here, if you enter here, this is a nice opportunity for you to book your profit. Around 400, 450 points profit you have got. So if you think like exiting, you can exit. Okay. Once the sellers tried to put some pressure here, they failed. These buyers proved that I am right. I mean, when I'm saying I'm right, I'm not saying I am right. I'm saying these buyers are saying we are strong. I'm going to push it towards the upside. Now the seller again, once more, he will do one attempt here. Okay, this seller one more attempt is going to do here. If it becomes a big red candle, you will see little more loss. But if these buyers are saying no, I want to take the market up to this zone, I want to make it a correction, attract little more sellers, right? And later, if it moves, it will give us that 1,000 points move what we are thinking about. But still, whoever wants, you can book. Yeah, congratulations for everyone who have this one answered correctly. This $24 we got. Why? Because market would have moved up by 480, 490, 500 points. So $25. Why $25? Because I've taken 50 quantity. If I had taken 100 quantity, already $50 I would have made. Okay. So always, how much ever quantity you take, for every 100 points movement, you will be making 10%. Okay. Little bullish flag view pattern in 1 minute time frame. Here, right? You are saying about this bullish flag pattern. Okay. Now, how many of you entered the trade along with me? For 50 quantity, how much you have used? How much I have used? Just go here, type 50. For 50, it is saying around $96. Keep it 100, around 8,500 rupees. So for 8,500 rupees here, $24 means profit. It is like me making around 35 to 45 40% already. At least 30% profit we have already made from the capital utilized. So traders, I'm saying whoever entered along with me, the sellers will do one more attempt here. Okay, here if they do, if only if these buyers are strong, they will push the market again from this zone. Okay, so around 500 points profit you have seen already. If you want to exit, you exit. Okay, sir, in crypto, where we can consider an immediate entry point, either long or short. It depends on the setup, right? It completely depends on the setup. How can I say? See, if you want immediate entry point, what I can tell you is many people, for example, let's say market corrected here. That time we don't know here this level can act as trend line, right? This level. So when market reached this level, it created some wick. Let's say you did not know this is the resistance. Third time it came right to the resistance. First time okay, second time okay, third time if market comes to the resistance, okay, that time probability of breakdown is there. Okay, so here bearish trade immediately you can plan. Okay, but fourth time it has come, then fifth time when it is coming, that time you have to be little careful, because this pattern became very easy for people to look for taking entry. At some point of time market has to do a different price action pattern. See, now I said no, these sellers if they're strong here they will try to push, but hopefully here if these buyers, they might wait for some time until these sellers put pressure. Maybe market will correct up to this zone, right? From here if these buyers re-enter, this continuous trend line what the market was forming, it will break that level. Okay, that is the expectation. Now for this trade, keeping big stop loss, does it make sense? No, right? You will keep trailing your stop loss. Okay, like that you have to think. See, should I enter, should I not enter, all those things and all before the trade you can do, but you have to build a story behind your entry. This is the first reason, this is the second reason, this is the third reason. Like that you have to make 3 to 4 reasons are telling you to go for the trade. Only 1 or 2 reasons is telling you that don't go for the trade. Wherever you are getting more reasons to take the trade, you will take. Okay, that is how you can, over the period of time you will decide, okay, this is the area where I can quickly enter. Balaji sir, for that you have to give some time. That is why quickly where you have to enter, where you will have to exit, that you don't know, right? That is why what I did, I gave the strategy for everyone. I have given the strategy, right? Absolutely free of cost for every crypto member. In this, haven't I told when to enter, when to exit, how much movement will happen, means how much profit we have to do? Everything I've given free for crypto group. So you want to make use of it, you can do it, right? It is absolutely free of cost. Open account with Delta Exchange. Link is there in the pinned comment. Open account there. Then complete your one trade. Reach out to my team on this number. They'll give you access. This setup only is clearly telling you when you have to plan your entry, when you have to plan your exit, all the setup. Even 50% you fail, right? Remaining 50%, every time you're losing 200, 300 points, doesn't matter. Remaining 4 times, 5 times, it's giving you 1,500 points movement. So Balaji sir, follow the strategy what I've given in the community group. Today only, how much points movement the setup is given. Those who know the strategy already close to 1,200 points. We did not enter based on this resistance line. We have different logic. Price action, stop loss hunting means every time different psychologically we have to think differently, we have to plan our trade. All those things are there. Indicator or strategy based trades, when you take, the amount of thought what you have to put in the trade will be very less. Stick to the rules. If the reward is okay for you, risk is okay for you, take that risk. Can you have you seen anyone become a profitable trader without taking trades? No, right? Trade has to be taken to become a profitable trader. So if you're hesitating to take trades, reduce how much ever quantity you're trading. I am saying it is okay even with one quantity, one lot. That's the least you can go. With that also you can plan your trade. Keep your risk, keep your reward according to that. Plan your trade. Eventually 21 whole month you trade with one quantity also. But at least trade with it so that I'm saying I'm not advising everyone to take trades. I'm saying if you're really interested, rather than keeping on looking at other people, how much profit they are making, how they're able to capture all those things, whatever basic learning you have, with that one unit, just trade for 20 days. Every day, one trade. With that, you go and understand what is the logic, why market corrected from here, why it moved up from here. You will get to know a lot of things. Now, the problem is these sellers, okay? Now, little before that only market is correcting. If it corrects, maybe up to this zone. Later from here, if it moves, bigger target. Like I said earlier, this can be one of the target which I had informed people to exit, right? If they are worried. Next target will be this zone. Maybe it will give a breakout here, then it will correct. Or even if it corrects, if you think, okay, market has potential for up move, right? It can trap people who sold here. It wants to remove them. That is what I'm thinking, okay? So market will give a breakout here, retest, continue. Anyways, we have entered at the lower zone. From here, profit already we have seen. So cost to cost, you bring off your this one risk. After this, what do you have to lose? You have nothing to lose except for brokerage. Brokerage is understood. So at this current point also, if you exit, apart from brokerage, you will make nice profit only, right? I think yesterday I did not do live stream, right? That is why I think too much I'm speaking today. Now, how many of you think what is going to be the next move? Will the upside move continue? What is going to happen in the market? What do you feel? Little bullish flag pattern, okay. Can you explain the logic after giving previous trade SL and market has fallen after taking SL? How you have taken the long in falling market, sir? Trade logic. I have told you, right? Now here when I took the trade only, I said, here when I took the trade, I said, traders market has 50% chance from here it will reverse or it will correct up to these zones. You go back and look at the video. These buyers who have put the pressure, right? They might remove the weak buyers from here. Maybe it will give a breakdown later. It will reverse. That is what exactly I have told. So here confidence is low. Let's say 50%. So anyways, that for that what I did, I gave a small stop loss. But here confidence is high. Compared to that stop loss, I had kept my stop loss here little bigger, right? Because I know here it can act somewhat weird, but this bias can push the market towards the upside. Market is a combination of buyers and sellers, right? It is not, I'm not speaking about you and me. I'm speaking about big buyers, big sellers. These big buyers, big sellers, they know where stop loss of retail traders are. How to tempt retail traders, they know. So, how to avoid that, how to go along with big players only, I will do. Everybody is thinking to take bearish trade. No doubt here, whoever has entered, they would have made profit. Okay, nice moment if they have exited. But whoever enters here, their probability of making profit on a bearish trade has significantly reduced. This is based on, I'm not saying it will not come. Probability is there, but probability is very high that if it corrects from here, it moving towards the upside is high. Okay. This one I'm saying because over a period of time, how many times I've been looking at Nifty, Bank Nifty, all of these charts. So over a period of time, you will learn, traders. Now, how many points? Now for this trade, 150 points, right? So 150 points means $15. Half of it is $7.5 is the risk for this particular trade. Already we are at 1:3. Today morning you posted as setup is forming in BTC checkout. Did you mention the setup? I doubt I missed the subsequent details. I don't think we said setup is formed, we had told. The main logic is because at that point of time I might be traveling. Simply I would have looked at the setup. Since our setup is forming and we know the probability of our setup, if you take 20 trades, out of 20 trades, net to net you will be profitable. That too very nicely you will make profit continuously without thinking too much based on the setup. If you are profitable, then why you should think too much, right? That is why exactly this setup what was forming in the market when it was available, when I did not have access to the system, I said yes, our setup is forming. Where is it? Yeah, one more thing, flat 1500 off on all the courses. See, here we only said setup is forming because at that point of time I think only access to the system we might not have. So rather informing people who already know the setup, everything we have explained, based on the setup, you know there is going to be a reversal from the magnet zone. So if you have taken, yes. Can we re-enter at retracement of 50% in call? Even you are coming to like me only, right, towards call side. Here if it maybe gives a breakdown, here any W pattern setup if it forms, maybe you can be looking for. Okay. Now this resistance, traders, market has reached this resistance. I'm telling you my expectation, it might correct and move. But if you have entered along with me, you have seen nice profit. You want to exit, you exit. Okay. Yeah, close to 1 hour live stream done. Now what I will do, slowly little more stop loss I will reduce. Okay. This one I will leave it as it is. Because people have to know, right? We are trailing a stop loss. Someone comes new, they will think, okay, only this person exactly captured the moment. Not like that. They have to know initially I gave so much stop loss. Slowly I'm reducing my stop loss and going. Hmm? Now, for rest of you, what you can do if you have entered along with me, I don't know how much quantity you have entered. If you entered with 10 quantity also, maybe 5 quantity, huh? Or let's say if you have entered with 100, let's say around 60 to 70% of whatever quantity you have entered, maybe you can book profit. Remaining you can keep the stop loss at cost to cost and leave it. So it is going to be a risk-free trade for you. Now, traders, can we say here market is forming a some kind of pattern like this? This is the support, this is the second support. So this becomes the symmetric pattern range. That possibility is there. You can think about that also. Yeah, movement is low because it is weekend. How many? And there's not US market timings. There it will be night. See, if US market is closed also here, capturing 200, 300, 400 points has become a reasonable target only. Okay. In Nifty Bank Nifty for 100 200 points, how much we have to struggle, we know. Multiple times hitting lines till it breaks the movement upside. Hopefully, traders, hopefully. Now, if it corrects here, from here one reversal, or if it gives a strong bullish candle, from here, if it is showing any reversal also, from here continuation. Two opportunities, okay. Whoever exited, exit, good. Sorry, I've caught some cold. Like sir was saying, like the trend line what I marked earlier, tested one time, two times, three times. Sorry, four times, five times testing has done. Again, selling pressure is happening here. As long as these buyers, if they're strong, if more people are getting attracted here, they will push the market towards the upside. Okay. It all depends on the buyers who entered here, who re-entered here. If they make that mindset of pushing, they will do it. We'll see what is the. We'll see these zones. 786 level is coming as this zone. Maximum up to this zone. Okay. Maybe who's entered with me, you want to keep it at cost to cost. Maybe you can do it. But the stop loss also is a reasonable stop loss only. If market is taking the stop loss, then nothing can be done. This is a sensible stop loss what we have trailed and kept. If it comes here and move, these two are the possibility. Okay. Market has faced the resistance many times. If it continues the up move, as it keeps moving towards the upside, here you can see selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. So if it's going down, let it go. At the lower level, you will be looking for opportunity. But in case at some point of time market shows that buying pressure, right? These people will start worrying. At that time when they start worrying, little pressure will come. Again, when the movement happens, it can go up to this zone, these zones. So that's how I am looking at the market. Now, many people will say, sir, you just keep the stop loss. You see around $80 profit, $90 profit. You don't exit, you leave it. Because when I make profit, I make it big, right? That 70, 60, $70 and all is kind of small only. Or when it just goes to, I'm not saying 1 is to $60, $70 is less profit. What do I mean by is, let's say I entered here, if market just moved by, let's say 100 points, 150 points, many people will book profit. Okay. In case market reverses, they keep telling me, sir, you should have trailed your stop loss. For me, mindset doesn't work that way. Okay. For me, mindset is, if I'm in the market, at least 400 to 500 points minimum I have to capture. Now, if I wanted at the zone, I could have exited, right? But still I'm saying I'm not exiting, because as long as I am sitting in the market right now, based on every moment, I can keep telling you, okay, this is the possibility, this is the possibility, so that you will look at it, you will relate to it in the future. From that, some kind of understanding you will get. Hmm. Now, those of you, in case market hits, what they will say, this person is a fool, he don't know how to book profit and all those things. Who says, let them say. It doesn't matter to me, because I'm completely independent from good or the bad opinion from others. It doesn't matter to me. What works for me, what I know, I say. Okay. In case that market goes opposite to my view, it hits my stop loss, I don't take it personally, traders. That age, that mindset is already I have crossed so long. I've come. So, sir, why you're not trailing your stop loss? Doesn't matter for me. Good afternoon, new in your channel. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for joining the live stream. Very glad to have you. Selling pressure with big candle. Let it happen, traders. Everybody is looking at M pattern. Hmm? Everybody is looking for bearish setup. If it goes, big movement. If it doesn't go, small stop loss. I'll leave it. Only for people who's watching the trade, who's entered along with me, I keep telling you, right? This is the area where you can book once. Here I've told you if you want, you can book once. I'm just holding so that I can explain a lot of things to you. That too, today is Sunday, so bit free. After this live stream, I'll go have lunch and go outside. That's it. See, I say buyers kind of they can be strong at this zone is because below this you'd see any stop loss hunting level. Already when market corrected here, the stop loss hunting they did and they went, right? So here market has corrected. Market has created a bottom. A rest, if they want to do stop loss hunting, this is the place where they have to do. That is where I'm getting confidence. These buyers can hold the market. That is why I'm getting confidence to enter. If these buyers are not strong, of course I will not get confidence. Let's say market hit my stop loss, it corrected and going, then these buyers are weak. They don't have the potential to do stop loss hunting. That I'll get to know only after I enter the trade, right? Only if I enter the trade, I will get to know these buyers are strong or not. You can say by just by looking at the market, I'll get to know after some time. But what is the use that you get to know they are strong when you have not even taken advantage of that situation? So now symmetric pattern market is forming. Hopefully, if it corrects, reversal, M pattern, if it breaks, then it will create pressure for people at this zone, this zone. That is why I've just left the trade as it is. Hello, sir. I am new subscriber. Joined your live stream. I have a question. If you have a question, you can ask. What is that? My strategy seems to be good. Okay. Uh, Vinil Sai, sir, I think I've given clarity for your question. See, everything where buyers can be strong, how sellers can be strong at the upper zone. I keep saying this. It is purely based on what? Price action and stop loss hunting. I have made a 3-hour course already. Okay. And I have explained to all of my price action stop loss hunting students. Right. So you can see we are running this offer flat 1500 rupees on all the courses. So in this intraday bundle, you get to know price action, stop loss hunting. Along with that, you get 1 month free access to private telegram group. If you are interested, you can click on this link, go there, complete the purchase, then you will get to know all the strategies. Because in live, how much can I say? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, certain things I can say. There, step by step, everything we have explained. So you want to make use of that, you can go join that. After watching those course content, when you come here, you can easily relate lot of things what I'm saying. Hello sir, can I start trading with $10 on one setup and become profitable trader by profit and loss ratio 1:1 and trade the setup for 1 month and convert by capital to $10 to $15? See, if you're trading, what is your total capital? Are you saying per trade you're going to risk $10? Or are you saying your entire capital is $10? That I'm not able to understand. See, previously I made an attempt to create chat room. What has happened is there are certain people, okay, they come to that chat room with wrong intention. They give, this color trading something, those kind of links and all they share with people. They say, come here, you make 10x, 50x, 100x returns. Some people believe that chat room, that discussion, that fake person who's come to the chat room and they go there. So that can happen. That is why restriction is there. Someone was asking, can I be the admin to monitor things like that? If people can become admin, if they are able to monitor, it's a good thing only. I can allow that. But how can I continuous monitoring is required, or else there might be some scammers who comes and gives you wrong information, right? So those kind of things people will do. I've seen that in the past. With our name only, how many wrong telegram groups are there, you have seen, right? How they take advantage of the innocence of many people who are coming new to the market. That is the problem. Okay. See, many people, I want to keep the chat room as open as possible so that everyone can discuss. All those things are there. But issues like this also is there, no? What do I do? Sir, my entire capital is $10. Okay. If your entire capital is $10, what you can do to take one unit trade only, you need around $2 as the risk. Okay. Instead of keeping the $10, you just trade with one unit and see what you can do about it. Can you increase the sound a little? What sound? My voice? I'm speaking to my loudest. In Ethereum and all, risk reward is different. Okay. In Ethereum, if you take one unit, one lot, then one trade, 1 point movement is like $1 risk, $1 reward, like that it is. So 10 units you are taking means if market moves up by 10 points, you will make $10. If market goes opposite to your trade by 10 units, 10 points, you will lose $10. Apart from that, you will have to pay brokerage. Okay, brokerage, I don't know, maybe $1 something. So you can't trade in Ethereum. BTC is the lowest. With that, you try. You want to practice your trade. सर 96,120 से लॉन्ग है BTC में SL कहाँ लगना है? आप 96,120 इधर एंटर किया है क्या? इधर एंटर किया है तो मैं मेरा स्टॉप लॉस इधर रख चुका हूँ, आप देख सकते हैं. सो हम लॉन्ग है इधर से, ये सेफ जोन है. ठीक है, मार्केट इसको ब्रेकआउट किया तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस इधर रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, इधर रीटेस्ट करके कंटिन्यूएशन हुआ तो स्लोली आपका स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करके आ सकता है. ठीक है, मेरा हिंदी सिर्फ इतना है, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, समझ आ गया तो ठीक है. सर कुड यू आंसर कंसिडर आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है भैया? अगर BTC 500 पॉइंट्स ऊपर जाता है और मैं 20,000 रुपीज़ का कॉल बाई किया है एट दैट मनी, फिर मेरा प्रॉफिट कितना मैं अभी तो ऑप्शन सेलिंग इसका बारे में बीटीसी में नहीं सोच चुका हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि फ्यूचर मार्केट में ही मुझे क्या लेवरेज चाहिए, क्या एंट्री चाहिए, वो सब मुझे मिल रहा है सेटअप्स। मैं क्यों इन द मनी एट द मनी आउट ऑफ द मनी लेके बैठो, मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए। फ्यूचर मार्केट और इजी है, इधर आप कोशिश किया तो अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल सकता है, इधर आप थोड़ा वो क्या बोलते हैं टाइम डीके वो सब नहीं है। आप ऑप्शन मार्केट में क्यों है मुझे पता नहीं। निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में ऑप्शन ट्रेड करना ही थोड़ा मुश्किल है, उसके ज़्यादा इधर बिटकॉइंस थोड़ा वॉलेटाइल और ज़्यादा है। आप क्यों ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं मुझे पता नहीं। दिस इज़ माई ओपिनियन, दैट्स इट। अमन सर, फॉर यू इफ थिंग्स आर सेंसिबल इन ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग। am I too late for the setup? अभी तो ये हो गया, मतलब इधर मार्केट, इधर सेलर्स, सॉरी आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी। हमजा सर, ओके, हमजा, what you can do is you can look at the zone. If market is holding on to the zone, then if it breaks out, then small stop loss, we can be looking for these people as a target towards the upside. Stop loss can be a reasonable one, right? Something like that you can try. Now maybe if this is the trapping, right, if trapping is happening, many people are entering bearish trade here, their stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, market can move reach up to this target, so that time you can try to capture the moment. Then option trading in cryptos. Why do people want to do option trading in Nifty Bank Nifty? Why are they not doing in the futures market? Tell me this. Majority of the people who's watching the stream, live stream, whatever it is, why are you doing not trading in the futures market? Because their pressure is less, no, in futures market. No need to think about strike price. No need to worry about sideways market, because people don't have enough margin. Here you're getting marginal benefit means in the futures market, as long as it is available, make use of it. हाँ करेक्ट, पैसा ज़्यादा लगता है। अभी आप इधर फ्यूचर मार्केट में निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में $10 $20 रख के आप फ्यूचर्स मार्केट ट्रेड कर सकता है क्या? एक लॉट भी ट्रेड कर सकता है? नहीं ना। उसके लिए 5000 10,000 किसके पास है, वो जाके फ्यूचर्स मार्केट में नहीं ट्रेड कर सकता है, उसके लिए वो ऑप्शंस जा रहे हैं। मतलब इधर आपको फ्यूचर्स मार्केट में ही आपका 10,000 15,000 है तो आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं ना। आप क्यों ऑप्शन मार्केट जा रहे हैं? मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, आप मैं क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको समझ आ गया तो ठीक है। कैन आई शेयर टू योर नंबर इन स्क्रीन? दैट इज़ माई चैट सपोर्ट टीम नंबर सर। My target, I have not even decided, traders. I am just enjoying market is moving. Stop loss is the most important thing I have decided. I have not set target. If market comes and hit my stop loss, doesn't matter. My hope is maybe this area will be the first target. This area upper level will be the second target. Depending on the mood, I will book my target. If it hits my stop loss, I'll book that also and go. Doesn't matter. My view, my logic, I keep explaining here. How you make use of those updates, setups, everything is completely up to you. For many people, wrong time they would have entered. I've told this the area where you can book your profit. Who has exited the profit, happily they are sitting. If market corrects, they'll be more happy because I will make loss, they would have made profit. Doesn't matter for me. For me, I'm thinking it will go up. I don't know how long it will take. Usually live stream I'll be only for 1 hour. Today is Sunday, okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Now almost near cost to cost I've kept the stop loss, right? So I have nothing to lose. I made 1,27,000 with that 23K. Okay, superb, sir. Happy for you. Someone was asking. Now you want to. Okay. For this number, you send WhatsApp message. Now, those of you who wants to learn a strategy for absolutely free of cost, and you want to join our crypto community group, all you have to do, you can get access to the strategy, all the live market trades, regular setups, and timely updates. To get access to our strategy and the timely update, only dedicated to crypto, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. After you open an account, reach out to my team. Reach out to this number, what is displaying on the screen. Mouse I'm highlighting, right? Reach out to that number. They will give you access. So they'll give you access to the community group for absolutely free of cost. Okay, you can do that. Now more put option traders are interested, right? Trend line is there, market is forming M pattern, again it is forming triple top, all these things are there. So hopefully as of now it is looking like trapping put option traders, sorry, bearish traders. So market has corrected nicely, people want to go as per the trend, but based on stop loss hunting I'm looking at opposite trend. So that moment I will see, if I get I will take, or else I'll exit. Okay. Still respecting trend line. Yeah, it is respecting. Bro, Telugu or Kannada? తెలుగు మాట్లాడడానికి చాలా కష్టం. కన్నడ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ 100x leverage scalping with one lot. One lot, 100x scalping. Are you saying one BTC? With one lot, you say you make 1.2 lakhs? Okay. One BTC means okay. If you say with one lot, with 100x leverage, it would have taken more than 1 year continuous move for you to make 1 lakh. Now that you say 1 BTC, it makes sense. Bro, I lost 10K in sell. So I need to recover this loss. You need to recover this loss? I have seen traders, many people who say I'm who forgets who has that mindset, I want to recover everything, whatever lose. They don't consider that money as as a learning itself. Okay, I lost today 10K, I don't want to recover that 10K, but what did that 10K teach me? That is what you have to think, right? Okay, this 10,000 what I spent, it was a expensive learning which I don't get anywhere. Why am I worried I lost 10K? Because my risk reward was not as per my capacity was not 10K. I lost 10K. That is why I'm worried. So that learning what you have got from that 10K loss, next time you reduce your loss to 1K per trade. It is multiple trade around 30 trades. Okay. See again from this upper zone, sellers are putting pressure. Stop loss is intact. Entry is intact. Nothing to worry. Whatever happens, let it happen. But too much sideways if it keeps going, right? What to do? I can't keep on holding on to the live stream until then. Expectation is this is going to be the target 1. This will be target 2. This will be target 3. Okay. All this previous resistance. At least up to target 2 is what I was thinking about. Now from here, if it is correcting, still we know this is a symmetric pattern. It can correct from here and move, or from the zone only. It can just remove more people here, attract little more people from here only, it will reverse. So all those possibility is there. I'm not saying this just because I've taken a bullish trade. These are the possibilities what I'm putting in front of you. Bitcoin needs to break 86,800 resistance so the increase will continue. 86,800 or you are saying, or 96,800? You are saying 96,800 or you are saying 86,800? 86,800 is too low, right? Okay. This upper zone, right? Here again, if it breaks, people will think this is the resistance. They might enter. Again, it can move. That possibility is there. So as per what I'm saying, it is probability of bullishness is more. So I'm holding. Stop loss is very small, around $7. You don't use volume profile? I don't use traders. See, we have to stick to just 1, 2 or 3 things. One, what I'm using, price action. Okay. Second thing, what I'm using, stop loss hunting. Third, I can use something else. For example, let's say moving average levels I can use, or I can use some other indicator. So what I have decided, rather than using indicators and things like that when I come live, I will use trade psychology. Okay. In trade psychology, what I'm thinking to do is opposite of what many people will do. Just because everyone is entering bearish trade here, let's say I will enter bullish. That is not how I am saying. Okay. I am saying, if these people, where will they be overconfident? When they will think about entering more times. When more liquidity will be created here. When breakdowns and these kind of things happen. So okay, if liquidity is there, from there, if market breaks this level, all these people will be removed. Then possibility of uptrend continuation will be high, right? This I'm saying based on my understanding. Your understanding might be completely different. You might be just entering at the resistance, market is going as per your direction, you'll be making profit. For me, those kind of trades, me taking has become so long. I'm not trading that way anymore. See now, stop loss hunting, okay. This is the resistance, market fell. Again, what happened here? This is the resistance, market fell. Now looking at this resistance, how many of them looking at this resistance, they will say, okay, this is easy money. Market is continuously falling. I'm going to enter here. If people enter here, they want to make big movement they want to capture, but they're not ready to keep big stop losses for their trade. The stop losses they'll keep here, 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 be above this one. So once big players starts knowing that okay, here stop loss is there, if these big players who are here who re-entered here again they re-enter, if they give a spike, then this will create panic. When panic creates, people will start booking their positions. When they start booking the positions, possibility of continuation is high. So this one more logically, more uh, with charts, many examples I have shared in our course, right? In our intraday bundle course, stop loss hunting masterclass. So if you are interested, you can check it out. For New Year's sake, around 1500 rupees off. You can use this coupon code to get access to all the courses. So I believe in those things. So I will put my money there based on that. Nirmal sir, I hope you have understood. Anyways, I placed the stop loss, right? Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. By then, any doubts you have, you can ask. Basically, spotting liquidity on the chart. Yeah, basically spotting liquidity. Same logic I entered in this trade. 96,100 entered and target will be 97,100. 97,100. Okay. This zone, right? Just a nice target. Entered where? 96,100. Okay. Along with me, I think. Storm is appearing. Storm is appearing. You mean to say in terms of trade or in terms of what? Real storm? Your view on BTC dominance. See, I will not accept BTC as a replacement for currency. Let it be Indian currency or dollars, right? It's not a replacement. I like blockchain technology, how it works, all those things in terms of security, that is good. That is why till now I have never bought even one Bitcoin. People can buy small quantity of Bitcoin also. That also I have not done. Now only why I'm trading in Bitcoin. I'm only trading, right? Because I'm not owning Bitcoin. As soon as this trade is done, I'm just speculating about the futures market, right? So I don't personally own Bitcoin. I'm just trading in it, just like how I trade in Nifty Bank Nifty. Since I don't own it, I'm not worried about what is going to happen to Bitcoin after 5 years, 10 years. Every day is a new day. Every day I'll give either stop loss or target. That's all is my relationship with BTC. Just because Trump is there, just because Elon Musk is supporting BTC a lot, Trump also knows he cannot. Tesla shares might go up, he might give more opportunities, but we cannot say, it will replace US dollars. No uh, country can allow that to happen where your currency is replaced by blockchain technology which cannot be tracked. See, people use BTC and other this one for all other wrong reasons. There you can use BTC as an exchange of value. Okay, I know even Tesla, they say if you have Dogecoins you can give that, or you can buy a Tesla car through BTC. All those things can be nice now, right? Because over a period of time, owning BTC, all those things doesn't make sense for me. Only thing what is under the government control. This future market trading is under government control. I'm trading with Delta Exchange. Why? Because it is FIU registered. So government has given the protection. That is why I'm trading in this, or else I will not trade in this also. I don't trade in forex market because it is banned in India. So hopefully you're understanding. I don't keep long term. I don't forecast about BTC too much. I just try to analyze where I have opportunity, like just like Nifty and Bank Nifty. Is this one avenue where I can use my knowledge, my learnings, and all those things and make decent money? That's all is my relationship with this. If you have how to join private Telegram group, I've registered with Delta. If you have opened account using our referral link and you have completed one trade, you are eligible to join our group. Link, you message this number. Many times I've told this number you message after opening account using a referral link. My team will give you access. Please, how consistently accurate is Fibonacci? I use the extension tool in your own view and strategy. So when you say indicators and all what you use, I use Fibonacci. It works out great for me. Just by marking Fibonacci levels, saying that okay, from here this can happen, that can happen is different. We need to also understand psychology. What is the probability from this zone market will reverse, or if it breaks this level, how far it can go? That over a period of time only you will get to know. Keep drawing Fibonacci on the chart and keep observing. You will get to know better understanding. What is private Telegram group? Sir, we have a community for crypto. You can see that. This is our crypto community group. Here what I provide: free strategy, 50-60% success rate, but it has given very good returns from the time I have given this. Majority of the time 1000, 2000, 3000 points it has given. So net to net, out of 20 trades, the 4-5 trades, if you're profitable, also nice profit we can make. That is one thing. In this group, more contents regularly we keep sharing, only related to crypto. Everything that we are doing here is absolutely free of cost. How do you get access? You need to get access by, you can get the access by opening account with Delta Exchange. It has to be using our referral link. Okay, where do you find the referral link? It's there in the description box below. In the pinned comment also there is a referral link. If you want me to share the link again, now quickly we will share. So this is our account opening referral link. Go ahead, open account there, then come to my team, message this number, they will do the needful for you. Okay, Ethereum view. Ethereum is just, it's facing resistance here, right? This can act as resistance, this can act as resistance. Now here you can see a trend line. As long as it is trading within this range, better to avoid. If it comes out of this range, you can see, or if it comes out of this trend line range, retest shows continuation. Maybe you can see bearish trade where these levels will be the target. But first it has to come down, retest show continuation. Okay, only then bearish trade. Or else here you can see this is the resistance, this is the resistance. Lot of liquidity is there at these zones, right? If market breaks this level, continuation is possible. So within this range you avoid. If it comes out of this upper range, this lower range, look for directional view. Nicely it is consolidating, more liquidity is there. One positive news, it can rocket. Continuous correction traders. Now you see, someone was asking me, sir, I want to trade in the options market, things like that. Now this live stream has gone for close to 2 hours. Okay. In if you trade in BTC, everything, it is daily expiry, right? So if it is daily expiry, imagine what will be the decay when you are there in the market at the zone. In futures market, it's a good thing. Trade in future market. Why you want options? Later, if they increase the leverage and all those things in futures market, if they reduce the leverage, what they give, only in option market they're giving leverage, just like how they used to give in Nifty and Bank Nifty. That time we will see traders. Okay, not now. Oh, sir, which segment is more effective and reliable in the basis of price action, supply and demand zone? Which segment, if you ask, I'm not sure. Are you asking about Nifty, Bank Nifty? Everything, crypto, it's working nice. Last 2 days sideways. Option selling is best, right? You're saying. Okay. So if you want to sell options, where would you sell option? Maybe from the zone market corrected. You know this is the upper zone only when market corrects so much, right? So here you will sell. So that time what it became, when you sell out of the money, what is the capital you need? And what you will do when market makes, let's say you decided, okay, you thought this is the bottom, okay, you sold these two options, market was holding on within a range, you made nice profit. By the time you go and come, market nicely it moved towards the downside. How much loss you would have made? Like I said, the sideways market, option selling, all those things, you focus in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay. In crypto market as of now, in fu- in futures market, you're getting better leverage. That means you don't have to take 200x. With less capital, you will be able to trade. Do that. I usually buy and sell in box pattern. Okay. So you can do it. You can set triggers. That is up to you what you want to do. But I'm saying futures market is kind of okay. Which is best, Forex or Indian market in the basis of price action? Forex market is not even legal in India. So I'll not even think about it. Then only option I have Nifty, Bank Nifty. I usually don't look at Sensex. I don't know. People might be trading in Sensex because Bank Nifty expiry is not there, so they want to trade in Nifty and Sensex. But for me, Sensex doesn't seem interesting. There also we can identify price action pattern, we can identify stop loss and everything. But for me, I have good relation with Nifty, Bank Nifty chart, so I stick to that. If capital requirement is more, since it is monthly expiry, all those things, still I'm okay to trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? I don't want other this one confusions around me, less things I see. Now crypto market is completely different than Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm trading here because future market is good, it is FIO registered, I'm not owning BTC, but through Delta Exchange I've got an opportunity to trade in BTC, so I'll make use of that, traders. That's all I want. Trade volume disappeared drastically after SEBI regulation. Okay. See, people will come, people will go. That is always there. Who wants to stay in the market, eventually, maybe they will take 1 month, 1.5 month, 2 months break, they will come back. Who really wants to stay, right? So forget about that. Maybe in the month of February or March, things will get better. By then, how prepared are you matters. Hi bro, today is my first time trading. First time joined in your live chat. Looks good experience in trading. Just tell me how to do option selling in Delta Exchange. That's what I've been telling. No need option selling right now. Futures market is good. That too, it is 1 day expiry, right? How is Delta Exchange for trading? I've been trading in Delta Exchange in front of you guys during the live stream for more than 2 months, 2.5 months now, if I'm not wrong. At least 1.5 months. For me, things looks very great. I'm going as per that. Market is moving as per our direction. Those who want to book your profit, you can do that, or this can be the first zone of you booking the profit. Keeping stop loss here doesn't make sense for you. Get it here, here. It's entirely up to you. Leave the rest to the market traders. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, traders. I was on mute. I was talking to myself. Okay, great. Funny. Anyways, someone called trading mailbox. He is saying market will reverse downside from this zone. Okay. Now here, if market reverses, usually why am I coming live? I'm coming live to have discussion. But I've seen this person just saying something like market will correct from here. If it corrects, let it correct. That's not the question. But we all are having discussion, right? My expectation is market will form a top here because there's a resistance. From here it can correct. Because one more logic is something logic if they say okay. But this person every time who's coming to the live stream is saying market is correcting as though he's pushing the market towards the downside. If market is correcting, hitting my stop loss, it doesn't matter to me. But I am just trying to understand the purpose of why this person is messaging exactly like this in the group. It is not like he's trying to have some kind of discussion. So if he can explain why he is saying, giving the logic for his trade, okay. Now I'll give you the logic. Market is here, okay. It has created double top. Here again, nicely market fell before. From here it can fall again. Either up to this zone it can correct, create some liquidity. Random people who entered the breakout market can trap them, and then from here it can reverse. But if these sellers are really strong, then it will hit my stop loss. So I have given you the logic behind this one. But this person was coming here giving this uh, statement like this directly. That means The intention of the message I'm not understanding. So there are certain people, I'm not blaming the person who's mailed here. I'm just saying generally there are certain people who come to other people live stream and there they say made so much, all those things. This is the strategy I use. Come use my strategy. There they might put you in some kind of, trap. They might. So that is what I am worried about. I don't want people who's there in my life to get scammed by someone or the other. If it is a normal person who's just coming and asking general question, or they're giving their point of view about the market, I'm completely okay with that. I'm sitting for 2 hours here, I'm giving you all the logics here, and this person just wants to just trail yet to blast. See, whoever entered with me, there's a decent profit, right? How much is this? 600, 650 points. Around $65 you would have made if you have taken 100 units. This is a decent amount. We made $30 because we have taken half the quantity, right? So there is a resistance here. You want to make use of it, book your profit, exit. Please do it. Apologies, I'm not trying to make you down or something. Just telling my view. That's it. If you take it wrong way, it's not about you personal. I don't take anything personally. I'm completely independent about what you say. It is just that you see, after me coming live stream, when I go back, I can see so many messages from foreigners, right? All their messages, I invested in so and so coin, I made good profit, reach out to this person, like this. They keep scamming, right? If someone by chance they go and see that message, they say, okay, this is one potential thing where we have opportunity, let me go and put the money. Because it is in my live stream, this guy got to know about it. I feel personally responsible for, mm, even though they should not do all that, at least during my live stream, whatever it is, I don't want innocent people to get affected. That's it. If you're saying your view, you can definitely say, but explain with logic. Someone said, okay, market has corrected so much. It is, let's say, Fibonacci level is acting as resistance. This trend line is acting as resistance. But I think there's a fake breakout. Market wants to move towards the down. Give me some logic, or explain your logic to someone else in the group. I don't want the logic. That time at least I will say, okay, this person is trying to discuss, have a discussion. Not like just say something. Want to add more quantity, when to? Maybe at this breakout. Maybe at this retest. Here breakout. You add more quantity only when you're happy with this one. You have got the right entry, right? For example, market nicely corrected, retested, get your stop loss here, re-enter, add more quantity. Those kind of way it works out. Sir, want to add more quantity, when to? Yes. I trust your view and opinion fully, which has always proven to be well informed and learned, sir. Okay, Hamza, thank you so much. There's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. I think you're speaking about this is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Market should have given a breakout, but it corrected a bit, created confusion. Now if it breaks, the length of this head, right? The length of this head, around 800 points. that should be the target. So if the target is around 800 points, it is up to this zone. If that is how you are thinking about it, okay, makes sense. I'm not saying this because I have taken the trade. His setup, whatever he says, head and shoulder makes sense, right? Is that a retest or what? Hopefully, my expectation is here it can accumulate some people. Breakout, it has attracted some people, maybe create confusion within the zone. Maybe this can be a cup, it can be a handle, then breakout. Things like that. See, people have made already $600, $650 profit. You want to hold on, hold on. Want to book, book. Entirely up to you. 46K booked with 2 BTC. Good, sir. Sir, please excuse the typo. That's okay. Around 2 hours, traders. For the first time, for 2 hours, peacefully sitting in the market. I did not have lunch, but I don't feel like also, as long as this trade is over. But still, 2 hours is too much. We'll see. I don't want to spoil anyone's weekend by making you sit here live. Sir took trade with 100 lot, made decent 25 profit after 10. Okay. Why did you pay $10 brokerage? Did you enter 100 quantity 2 times? Or did you add the position later? Where are you basically from? I'm from Bangalore. Now traders, you see the movement is coming, right? So movement is happening towards the upside. Now what you can do, you can maximum maybe trail your stop loss, right, up to this zone or maybe below this candle only you can trail. It's all up to you traders. Independently you can think and do what you want to do. Now this is completely a risk-free trade. Breakout retest. Now this breakout happened. Anyone interested? Whoever entered, good. Now I'll trail it and leave. I have to trail little lower. I don't know if it's going to retest and go. So like this, you think you just sit and trading is boring. As long as it is very exciting. As long as you see the market, understand the setup, try to understand the psychology, everything you try to do. After that, after you take your entry, stop loss, everything, things are boring. See, whoever wants to exit. This breakout, at least if you are holding, just keep trailing your stop loss and going. Minimum bring in at least 10 to 15,000 traders. Okay. Bring in 10 to 15,000, trade with 50x, sorry, 25x. Maybe you trade with 10 quantity. With 10 quantity, you trade over a period of time. 20 trades, you see how it goes. Take notes for everything. So this breakout is good breakout. Okay. I'll trail it so that at least how much ever decent profit we made, we will take it with us. So whatever happens, this 500, 600 points is ours, right? Maybe after the brokerage, little more we can give. Now it completely depends on these sellers. If they are strong, they'll push off the market towards the downside. It will hit my stop loss. If these buyers, like I said, they're strong, right? They're strong, they push the market up. Now, if they're really strong, maybe after a correction, they will push the market towards the upside, give a breakout here, something like that they will do. Now, sir, this mailbox, trading mailbox, sir, you said market will reverse from here. If anyone blindly, if they had taken the trade. So when you say something, tell it with logic. If people like the logic, if whatever you say makes sense, let them decide what they want to do. Everybody is entitled to give opinion. Just don't give random dialogue. Nothing, I'm not saying this to offend you or anything as such. Just telling you that is how it is. How many years have you been trading in Indian market? Started with 2013. After nice loss, 2017 is kind of breaking point. 2018 was good. After then, no looking back. See, you don't have to wait for long, right? Now you see, it's kind of 786 level rejection. So near 786 level rejection, too much stop loss you don't have to give, right? If it goes, let it go. Too much stop loss you don't have to give. Bro, I think storm is bit heavier. Okay, you were speaking about the storm. All right. Now this stop loss what I've kept also, this is close to 200 points trailing stop loss. Okay, we'll trail little more, little more, little more. Like that only we will go. Because there's a danger zone. If it break, even I wanted to break the danger zone. I wanted to go up to this zone. Very hard resistance around this area. Let it resist. Stop loss is here only. BTC going to bump, pump and dump. Now, Ethereum people were asking me, right? What I said. This is the zone. This is the zone. Whichever side breakout you see. If you have got the breakout, you entered. Good. There is one resistance right now here. See, live, how I look at the market, how I'm thinking in each time, everything based on stop loss hunting, everything I've explained, right? In BTC, I'm getting this opportunity to explain everything to you. In Indian market, it is not allowed what to do. So hopefully, how when many people are thinking bearish, why we thought about bullish, everything I have explained. So you can use this 2 hour live stream as a learning thing. Maybe something you can relate, you can make use of it. Hmm? How much did you trade on the, what's the profit now? What's the target? See here you can see what we traded, what is the profit, when we planned our entry, what is the moment. Almost 1,000 points. 5 minutes RSI will start cooling off here. Okay. For 100 lot it should be $7 broken, but they charge $10. We will check, sir, why they charged. We will check that. Even more stop loss I have trailed. from this zone, we have got a stop loss up to this zone, right? Now when I took 50 units, okay, this is 50x, fine. When I took 50 units, around $100 was needed. I think that time around $200 was needed. I don't remember now. So this $50 is nice profit. See, now if market reverse hit my stop loss, I don't care, right? If it's not hitting my target, I don't care. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, traders. We have to be ready to give those small stop losses. The time when you're right, you will capture big move. That too sideways time, right? I wish I had taken a risk and taken trade along with you, but yesterday $80 loss in mind keep me to fear, and just see you taken trade, even had confidence in your trade. Okay, it's okay, sir. It's okay. Human tend to get scared. Then you should have traded with 10 quantity, at least something like that. When you have too much fear, when you are ready to say, okay, 10, I'm going to lose $10, no problem. What else you are going to do? If you ask the market, either it will say, I'm going to take your stop loss today, give me that $10. It will take that. Or it will say, okay, I like your confidence, I'll give you $20, $30. Maybe 98K target, I may be wrong. 98K target, you're saying up to above this level. If it goes, let it go, traders. If it goes, let it go. Anytime it will correct. Anytime it will take my stop loss. But we have nothing to lose. Should we do it manually? No, I think you have to go to limit order. Here you can place and then you can set the triggers. Or you can choose the stop loss, limit order, stop loss, market order, trailing stop loss, take profit, market. All those options you have. You choose what you want. Can you trade with you? I'm trading with me only. You mean, can I trade with you? See, this wick is there, no? This wick is the problem. Now they will show some selling pressure. They might take my stop loss. But we know a stop loss is here. What to worry? Okay, done. We made around $45, $46. It was pleasure being trading with you guys, along with you guys during the live stream. Now, those of you who made use of the content, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to make regular videos for you. Trailing stop loss hit, no problem. Close to 930, 940 points. It's good. Okay. Anyways, traders, we had good time. Thanks for everyone for participating. Have a good day. Happy weekend. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, I like your analysis. Good job. Okay, thank you. Can I any other Ausius, sir? Ausius means. Anyways, traders, enough for the day. Too much trading done. Breakout. If this comes for a retest, it's going to be an issue. It might correct. From here, it can move, or directly, this can be just a small correction. This zone or this zone market can correct. It might create a flag pattern. Then if it creates a flag pattern, gives a breakout here, maybe, see, we have identified this is the buying pressure zone. Again, they have entered. So I cannot say that, if I had just still my stop loss here, I'd have just left it to go up to this zone, right? 27,300. Anyways, done is done. Thank you everyone for participating. Have a good day, right? See you tomorrow.